Hello guys. In today's video, we'll show you how to install the Noam audio system on a Polaris Razor without factory stock speakers and integrate it with the Ride Command head unit using custom Delphi plug adapters. So, if your Polaris Razor has no factory stock speakers and you are looking to add a sound system to it, this video is for you. If your Polaris Razor has either 2 or 4 factory stock speakers, please check the description below for a link to the correct tutorial video. You will also find a list of compatible Polaris Razor models there. Polaris offers 2 amplifier outputs for the end user to utilize, which are located in the area behind the Ride Command head unit. The main amplifier output Delphi plug, which looks like that, and the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug, which looks like that. Let's walk through each one of the adapters and the connections they provided. The main amplifier Ride Command adapter is used for the main amplifier output Delphi plug. It has 2 RCA outputs. The front RCA output is the one on the right, and the rear RCA output is the one on the left. Pre-wired 4 speaker wires. Those are connected to your pre-installed stock speaker. 4 red and black pre-wired 4 speaker wires. Those are connected to your pre-installed stock speaker. Your Polaris Razor has no factory stock speakers, so that you will have no use for them now. 2 remote out wires. The subwoofer amplifier Ride Command adapter is used for the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug. It has subwoofer RCA output and remote out wire. Now let me show you how to hook up an amplifier using the main amplifier Ride Command adapter. Connect the main Ride Command adapter to the main amplifier output Delphi plug. Moving on to the amplifier. Here we have the HS 4.4 amplifier, a dual RCA input amp. It has 2 RCA inputs, labeled as front channel and rear channel. As we explained, the right side RCA of the adapter is the front RCA output. So connect the front RCA output of the adapter to the amp's front RCA input using RCA cables. The left side RCA of the adapter is the rear RCA output. So connect the rear RCA output of the adapter to the amp's rear RCA input using RCA cables. The blue remote out wire of the adapter should go to the blue remote in wire of the amp. Doing so ensures that the amp will see power only when the Ride Command head unit turns on. The 4 red and black speaker wires should remain untouched. Your Polaris Razor has no factory stock speakers, so you will have no use for them now. Now your amp is controlled by the Ride Command head unit. You can use it as you wish, hook up 2, 4, or even 6 speakers, depending on the system you have. If you wish to go even bigger than that, you can use the main amplifier Ride Command adapter to connect 2 amplifiers. Each RCA output from the adapter will be linked to a different amplifier, allowing you to control both amplifiers and add even more speakers. In this example, we are using 2 HS 4.4 amplifiers. Each RCA output from the adapter is connected to 1 amplifier, and the same applies to the remote out wires. This way, you can power 2 amplifiers with a single adapter. The HS 4.4 amplifier has 2 operating modes, 2-channel and 4-channel. In 4-channel mode, the front RCA input powers the amplifier's front channels, while the rear RCA input powers the rear channels. Therefore, both RCA inputs of the amplifier must be connected to the head unit. In 2-channel mode, you only need to use one RCA input. Both the front and rear channels will be powered by either the front or rear RCA input. When using the ride command adapter to connect 2 amplifiers, be sure to set the amplifier to 2-channel mode. Additionally, you have a second amplifier output Delphi plug specifically for connecting a subwoofer. Connecting a subwoofer amplifier using the ride command adapter is quite simple. Begin by connecting the subwoofer ride command adapter to the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug. Then connect the RCA output of the adapter to the RCA input of the amplifier using RCA cables. For this demonstration, we are using the BA1 amplifier, which is a mono subwoofer amplifier. Please note that the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug can be used only for subwoofer connection. Before you go, here are a few installation notes and tips. The amplifier should be connected directly to the battery. The ride command head unit may generate static noise. Installing a ground loop isolator will help resolve this issue. You can find a link for this in the description below. A recommended location for mounting the amplifiers is on the firewall, behind the seat, with the cables facing downwards. To prevent the RCA cables from becoming loose and disconnecting during your ride, consider using duct tape or shrink tube to secure them together. The last thing you need to do is to go out for a ride. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact us at service@noamaudio.com. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.